Space Mountain.
Enjoy your flight. Space Mountain.
I see.
Look at it, I've never noticed the balls below.
Turns at 7 knots. For a safe space flight on this adventure, the expected mothership not ride, and passengers who do not meet the minimum height requirement may not ride.
Oh, that's funny. That was a lot of fun. Very windsock that.
I am convinced when the park is busy, there is a separate, quicker ride. Because that was like twice what we went on in February.
Me and Josh feel like we're going crazy because certain things are not the same as when we came in February. So if anyone can tell me if they've changed Space Mountain at all. Because that, the first Space Mountain we did was Hyperspace Mountain in Paris, which is a lot newer and faster and more of a thrill ride. So when we came on Space Mountain here, we were a bit like, oh, that was really tame. That time, it felt faster, the drops felt bigger, it felt darker.
Yeah.
That was a lot, definitely fast, like the speed was faster.
We were at the back. We've never been at the back before.
Okay, maybe it's because we were at the back then. Some people do say the back is quicker on roller coasters.
I'll tell my neck about it.
But I feel like the actual ride was longer as well, and like Josh said, maybe when the park's busy they have shorter circuit. I don't know.
Like,
I mean,
like with Tower of Terror.
Tower of Terror, yeah, we heard that one like does a shorter sequence when it's busy. Who knows? I suppose it's more difficult with a roller coaster, but maybe it's all in our heads. But it was a lot of fun. And now, this is one of my favourite gift shops.
It is very, very underrated.
This is a very good gift shop, so we're going to go in here now.
That's it.
The gift shop's closed. The gift shop we were really excited about is closed. What's it called? Tomorrowland Power & Co? I don't know. The gift shop for Space Mountain is closed. I'm actually really sad about that. It's one of my favourite gift shops.
Becky is about to lose her buzz.
Oh, we're about to go on, what's it actually called? We call it Buzz, but what's the actual ride called?
Like Space Rangers or Space Shooters? Something like that.
Josh seems to think I'm going to lose. I beat him so bad last time. He beat me in Paris, I beat him in February here.
And I have not. That's the only reason I've booked another trip so soon.
This is like the tiebreaker. Whoever wins this one is the champion. It's Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin, what we were trying to think of, and it's a 5-minute walk on. We do have Genie Plus for it, even though it's 5 minutes, but yeah. We misjudged the day with the Halloween party, but it's fine, it's fine. Life happens. Good point, so at 2 o'clock we're planning on hopping because we've pretty much done all of the rides we want to do in Magic Kingdom. And then we can continue to use Genie Plus in the park that we hop to, so then it will be worth it. Ready to get beat? I'm gonna win.
Marks the spot. The thumb trigger on your laser cannon.
Unfortunately, guys, they let the team down. It's got to be. He was sweating it though.
Oh god, that is intense.
Wow.
Oh my god.
This was the best thing about the new Lightyear movie. This little guy.
Arms, feet, legs, and other appendages inside the car.
One of the visionary ideas throughout Walt Disney World. Look, there's even a tiny people mover.
Now approaching Tomorrowland Speedway and Tron Light Cycle Run.
I love a good circuit, and these are two of the best tracks in the cosmos for a bit of light, speedy competition.
This is Starport 75.
Except that mission stops.
You want a hat, don't you? These are the hats. I think you should get the goofy one. They're great. I think you should get that. Wait, what does that one say? Park hopping what? Is my cardio. That's pretty relevant for you. It is the only cardio we do. I'm gonna look at the ears. These are cute. Still quite tempted by the blue ones. These are nice as well. These are quite neutral to go with outfits. I feel like these are cute. I like the iridescent look to them. Josh got himself a hat. It's just so hot. We need the head protection. I mean, I have quite a lot already. And it says Tomorrowland on it. It's not cute. I'm still looking for ears. Haven't found any on one yet. Just popped into the 100 Acre Wood store. And these are so tempting. And I'm after some to wear now. But they are so cute. Oh my god. I'd love to make a Winnie the Pooh nursery when I have a baby. The best character. I love him. Absolutely love him. It's warm and Josh wants some ice cream, so we're gonna check out the ice cream parlour. Just took some pics in front of the castle. Hi! And it was, for the castle, really quiet in front of it. Really easy to get pics. You know, there's a few people around, but for what we're used to, it was very quiet. It smells amazing in here. What are you gonna go for?
I have no idea.
Thank you. Thank you. Yum. That looks so good. Thank you so much. We're in the Main Street stores now. I'm after the Space Mountain t-shirt that I saw in some people's vlogs recently, but I can't find it. I feel like it would have been in the Space Mountain gift shop.
But there isn't one.
It's closed. I like this. Oh, that's kind of cool. Mr. Tom Morrow. Haven't seen these ones yet, but I don't think I want these ones. They are cute, but I just wouldn't wear them as much. I'd quite like a pair in this colour. Actually, don't think I told you guys about my outfit today. So I got a blue vest from Pretty Little Thing on. This skirt is from ASOS, which it's given me like Cinderella before she was Cinderella vibes. And then I have my Crocs on. And gibbets today are almost the same as yesterday, but we added a little candy corn and a heart. This is mainly 50th anniversary stuff. It's so cute. Oh, another pair of ears we haven't seen yet. These are actually really cute. I like these. 50th anniversary. And these are $40. Oh, I think I saw these last time I was here actually. Again, not a pair I would really wear, but really cute. Ooh, Halloween stuff. Looks like Josh has found the mugs and the water bottles. Love looking at these. Oh yeah, but how would you drink out of that? So cool, but how would you drink out of it? Looks very problematic. Yeah, I like this. It's all the different cats from Disney shows and movies. Oh, I like this. We got Tigger. Oh, it has. I like this one. This is huge. Halloween bits. These kind of hurt my eyes. If I look at it too long. I actually think it's really cool, but if I look at it too long, it hurts my eyes. Yeah, this is cool. This is their like little logo for this year's Halloween. Oh, and another pair of Halloween ears. These are like tie-dye.
Is that something you want? Yes.
It's cute. We didn't buy anything in Main Street other than ice cream. And now Josh has talked me into heading to Splash Mountain. It is warm, so it's a nice idea, but I didn't fancy getting soaked this early on.
We've been there 4 hours, it's fine.
What time is it?
20 to 12.
It feels like we've been here so long, like in a good way. It feels like we've had a lot of time, been very productive. There's a Calvacade coming.